In this video I'm going to show you how to add poll on Instagram Reels. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. That is new Instagram feature, so first make sure that your Instagram is the latest version, so open up your app store, enter Instagram in the search and check if this button says open. If it says update, hit on that and wait until update is complete. Now you can open up your Instagram, hit on plus sign and select reel. There you can use your camera to make new reel, or you can upload some video from your camera roll and then hit add. Now you can hit next, and there all you have to do to add poll, there you have to hit on stickers icon and select poll. Now there you can ask some question, and also you can change yes or no the answers, so you can delete no and write something. Now you can change the location of the sticker, and of course you can change its size. Now you can continue creating your Instagram reel as you normally do, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.